What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. We are once again in my bathroom, but this video is going to be a lot different than last time because my hair is already done. It's been washed and conditioned. It already air dried, and I have it in this glorious pattern because I am going to be filming my wig tutorial. And right now my wig is in need of some serious help. Like, it's not okay. Before I do that, I'm going to be showing y'all how I prepped this hair with moisture before I put the wig on. So I'll be using the Rejuveniqe Oil Intensive Oil, and a little bit goes a long way. But basically, I'm just putting, the braids are like open, I guess. These are not braids, these are twists. And letting that sit. So literally, I just wanted to show y'all how I use the Rejuveniqe oil as a moisturizer for my scalp, so that my scalp isn't dry while I have this wig in for like about a week. So yeah. Hey y'all, so you guys are gonna see me using my Monet hair care system on this wig hair to see how it's gonna react to a different type of hair type in general. Altogether, like, it's a wig and it's not technically hair from your scalp. And we're just gonna see how well these products work on cleansing the hair and etc. from there on. So I'm using the black 2-in-1 shampoo in this part of the video, and I'm just really focusing it on the frontal because that is where most of the product goes when I'm styling the hair. And so that's a very key part to cleanse. Now I'm just focusing on the rest of the hair and getting the shampoo through the whole entire unit, just to make sure that it's clean, because honestly I have not worn this wig since October of 2019, and even then, like, that wig was just not cute. I thought I was gonna throw it away after this last use, but I can see it has some potential still, so I'm not throwing it away just yet. So now I'm going to be using the conditioner from the hair care system, and this is the Volumizing conditioner. And I honestly used any random conditioner that I had because it's a wig and it's not that deep. I didn't use it because I wanted extra volume to the wig or anything like that, but yeah. And so now I'm just trying to get all the conditioner through the hair, rinsing it out because I will be straightening this wig, and conditioner needs to be rinsed out completely when you want to straighten hair. And this is goes for everyone's hair. Like, the hair on your head needs to be completely without products unless it's a thermal protectant when you're trying to straighten your hair, or you will fry it off. But yeah, now I'm going to be transitioning into detangling this wig, which was literally a mess because, like I said, this wig is so old. Yeah, the comb wasn't working, as you can see. That was really bad. So I switched to a paddle brush, which literally, it gave me a lot more bang for my buck. So I really appreciated that. I unfortunately didn't have the unknot detangler when I filmed this video, so I wasn't able to demo that on the hair. But the next time I do wash this hair, I will definitely implement the unknot detangler and let y'all know how that goes. But yeah, so I'll be detangling this hair as good as I can. So as you can see, I pretty much got all the knots out of the front of the hair, which is really important. You don't want to have any type of lumpy anything in the front of the hair. I showed you guys how much hair actually came out from the entire detangle process, and it wasn't that much. And then I just showed how I briefly blow dried the hair. I did blow dry on cool, so it did take a long time, so that's why I cut it all out. This is the hair again. Super freaking shiny, super freaking moisturized, super manageable. Like, it's really unfreaking believable how good this hair. After this wash, this was the best I wore this hair, no cap. Like, I never actually installed this hair properly until like this time ish. And you'll see why I said ish right now. So I started off using the Got to Be Glued glue gel, that for wigs, and I just put it all on my perimeter in the front. And there were multiple problems with this entire aspect right here. So one, the wig cap was just too small. Two, not my color. Didn't even try to make it my color. Three, I started, because it was so small, I started putting the edge control gel, or the whatever gel, on my edges. It's not supposed to go on your edges, sweetie. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all, I had to use the Rejuveniqe oil every day since I took the wig off on that entire spot where I put so much gel. However, this wig came out really cute. So look at me be cute finishing this wig install, okay? Brushing it out. You can still see the shine from just these dim lights, first of all. This shit got some movement, some bounce, and I'm over here. I'm happy. Like, I'm telling y'all, look at me. Happy. Just like feeling myself in all types. I'm back again, feeling myself. You see the body, you see the movement, like not stiff where? Stiff who? Yeah. But now I'm using the Moxie Mousse. And I'm just kind of, setting the hair with the Moxie Mousse and making sure that, I have some type of, root lift or something. But yeah, and then I just finished brushing it out, tucking whatever away. And I was saying I was gonna leave it on for an hour, but really it was like 10 minutes. And this is the end result. She looked cute or whatever. I was feeling myself. Like I said, I was looking good, looking amazing, looking blessed. And I did all this for the free $99. Didn't have to have anybody install my wig for me. So, period. I hope y'all learned something from this. And I hope y'all get your wig installed for free $99 too. Alright, now,